I'm here to explain the topic network protocol. A protocol is a set of rules that governs the communication between computer on a network. These rules include guidelines that regulate the following characteristic of a network: access method, allowed physical topologies, types of cabling, and speed of data transfer. What is a protocol? A protocol is a control sequence of a message that is exchanged between two or more systems to accomplish a given task. Protocol specification define this sequence together with the format or layout of the message that are exchanged. Definition: a communication protocol is a system of digital rules for message exchange within or between computers. Communicating system use well-defined format for exchanging messages. Each message has an exact meaning intended to provoke a particular response of the receiver. The history: the Internet Protocol suite resulted from research and development conducted by the Defense Advanced Research Project Agency (DARPA) in the late 1960s. After initiating the pioneering ARPANET in 1969, DARPA started work on a number of other data transmission technology. In 1972, Robert E. Kahn joined the DARPA Information Processing Technology Office, where he worked on both satellite packet network and ground-based radio packet networks, and recognized the value of being able to communicate across both. In the spring of 1973, Winton Cerf, the developer of existing ARPANET network control program (NCP) protocol, joined Kahan to work on open architecture interconnection model with the goal of designing the next protocol generation for the ARPANET. Protocol development: for communication to take place, protocol have to be agreed upon. Recall that in digital computing system, the rules can be expressed by algorithm and data structure, raising the opportunity of hardware independence. Expressing the algorithm in a portable programming language makes the protocol software operating system independent. The source code could be considered protocol specification. This form of specification, however, is not suitable for the parties involved. Common types of protocols: the Internet Protocol is used to conserve with other protocols within the Internet Protocol suite. Prominent members of which include TCP, Transmission Control Protocol, UDP, User Datagram Protocol, ICMP, Internet Control Message Protocol, HTTP, Hypertext Transfer Protocol, POP, Post Office Protocol, FTP, File Transfer Protocol, Internet Message Access Protocol, IMAP. There are some types of network protocol: Ethernet, local talk, token ring, FDDI, ATM. So we are going to explain each of them individually. Ethernet. Ethernet protocol is by far the most widely used. Ethernet uses an access method called CSMA/CD, Carrier Sense Multiple Access Collision Detection. This is a system where each computer listens to the cable before sending anything through the internet. Local talk. Local talk is a network protocol that was developed by Apple Computer Inc. for Macintosh computer. The method used by local talk is called CSMAC. Carrier Sense Multiple Access with Collision Avoidance. This is similar to CSMACD except that a computer signal is intended to transmit before it actually does so. Local talk adapters and special twisted pair cable can be used to connect a series of computers through a serial port. Tokening. The tokening protocol was developed by IBM in the mid 1980s. The access method used involved token passing. In token ring, the computers are connected so that the signal travel around the network from one computer to another in a logical ring. A single electronic token moves around the ring from one computer to the next. FDDI, Fiber Distributed Data Transfer, is a network protocol that is used primarily to interconnect two or more local area networks, often over large distances. The access method used by FDDI involves token passing. FDDI uses a dual ring physical topology. ATM, Asynchronous Transfer Mode, is a network protocol that transfers data at a speed of 155 Mbps and higher. ATM work by transmitting all data in small packets of a fixed size, whereas other protocols transfer variable length packets. ATM supports a variety of media such as video, CD, quality audio, and imaging. ATM employs a star topology which can work with fiber optics as well as twisted pair C. Benefits: computing over a network is a complicated task. Different hardware element in the network need to be informed of the processes in hand and instructed in their role. Each element has its own requirements and a set of format for receiving instruction. Both the sender and receiver must communicate in the same language, and all connecting hardware and software must be able to exchange control information. The benefits of using network protocol are that all these tasks have already been mapped out by someone else, and they have published their knowledge for others to share. Many computers from all the world can connect together because they are using the international standard. Easier maintenance and installation because you get used to on the standards. Problems, disadvantage: problem occur on in standard, it will be a international problem. All companies and manufacturers must follow the standard system instead of developing new techniques. While the conclusion, while the old as while the age old concept of network is foundation in virtually all areas of society, computer network and protocol have forever changed the way human will work, play, and communicate, forging powerfully into area of our lives that no one had accepted. Digital networking is further empowering us for the future. New protocol and standard will emerge. New application will be conceived, and our lives will be further changed and enhanced. Thank you.